Not even going to share screens today. A little bit of a turmoil here in the household. It's the first day that my wife is working from home, and my son, he's been home from spring break, but today, here in 15 minutes actually, he begins doing Zoom classes, so virtual classrooms with his teachers. They did a practice on Friday, but they go live here in just a moment. So should be interesting. He actually had to get dressed in his school uniform like usual, but he's going to sit down in front of a computer screen here in just a few minutes and get connected to his classroom. So fun stuff, but a little bit of a hectic mess this morning. Big things going on right now. You know, there was a Fed plan that was just announced that's having an impact. Gold took a big move up, cracked above 1500, opened actually above 1500 on Sunday, floated back down, hung around 1490 area for most of the night, and then this morning on that Fed announcement really pushed higher. So that's certainly good news for us. A lot of volatility in Forex right now. We're seeing the pound has been weakening, but then this morning, it right as the U.S. session got started, it took a little push above the midpoint, but now seems to be floating back down. So there might be some pound opportunities to continue there. I'm actually looking shortly after the Canadian news. I took a short on the pound CAD, so we're in a little bit of a profit on that one right now. It hasn't locked in because I'm trailing it with the ATR stop. But we'll come back tomorrow. We'll actually do a full market analysis. I just wanted to real quickly let you guys know that this morning, turmoil, hectic, so I'm not going to do a full market briefing, market update. What we are going to talk about this week, so 2 weeks ago we did breakout strategies. Last week we talked a bit about bounce strategies. I think breakout works more from a psychological standpoint. Bounces are a little tougher because you've got to be calling the top or calling the bottom. But there's a combination of those two. There's a combination strategy where we're looking at trends, we're looking at pullbacks, and then we're playing a breakout off of that pullback. And I really like that strategy a lot, and it's something I feel like might fit a lot of you. I mean, it's tough, right? From a trading perspective, everyone wants to be that hero that called the top or hero that called the bottom, which is sometimes why breakouts people get psychologically caught up in. Man, I missed out on 20 points that I could have had if I had been doing a bounce. But then you get into the bounce strategy, and psychology comes in, and you don't want to trade it because you're buying in a big red candle or you're selling in a big green candle, and that's tough. There's psychological points to all of it. I think the one that we're going to talk about this week is a really cool combination of the two, and I'm excited to share that with you, but I can't do it this morning because it's a little more hectic than I expected it to be. So we're going to get everything going for our household today. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll do a proper update. We'll do a proper training on some ways to look at this with that combination of a bounce and a breakout. So I'll get to what I'm talking about tomorrow morning. So thanks for checking in, tuning in real quick. This will be under 5 minutes, but probably the first time ever. So have a great day. Trade safe. Remember to put your stops in. Take reasonable risk, and whatever your plan is, stick to it. Something in line of trading with some sort of a trend, whether that's an intraday trend or a longer term trend. Find something you can stick to and trade that plan. So anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Have a great day. Talk to you later.